Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're facing issues with your ECA application, stick around till the end of this video because I will clear all your doubts with the ECA application process. I will also show you how to apply for ECA on the WES website, which is a trusted and the most popular way to get your ECA done. The WES is also the fastest way you can get your ECA. You can also use CES to get your ECA, but we will be looking at the WES process in this video and how to get your ECA done by using WES or WES. So keep watching to get all the answers, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe, hit the like button and don't forget to share this video with your friends as we will keep making such informational videos in the future for all of you guys. So before we get started, I'll explain what the ECA stands for and why you need it. The ECA stands for Educational Credential Assessment, and to make it easier for you to understand, think of it like a report of your degrees and transcripts that is comparable to degrees in USA and Canada. The good thing about the ECA is that you can use it for any purpose. This means you can use it if you're going to work, study, or for immigration as well into USA or Canada. I will now show you the entire process of applying for the ECA on the WES website. So keep watching. For this video, I will show you the entire process for Canada. The process for USA is also very similar, and if you know the process for Canada, then you will be able to complete the USA process as well. So stick around till the end of the video to learn how to complete the WES process. Okay, so here is the WES website on the screen now, and if you want to get your ECA done, then you can visit this link on your browser to start the application. All the links that I will be using are there on the description below, so you can check those out. As you can see, the URL for the website is wes.org. So once you have that open in your browser, you can go through the website once. You can see that the website has a lot of content over there, like IGPA calculator, some success stories and things like that. So here you can see that it is written, get your credential evaluation in 3 simple steps. So we can click on get started over here, and this will ask us where we will be using our evaluation. I'm going to select Canada this time. Remember, this is for first-time users, and if you already have an account in WES from before, you can go back and choose the sign-in option and use your ID and password to log in. But I will be doing this with a new account so that everything is covered step by step. So going back to the page where it is asking me to select the country I will be evaluating for, I'll select Canada. On the next screen, we can see that there are 3 options to choose from. WES Standard Application, which is mainly for employment, continuing higher education, etc. ECA application for IRCC, which is for immigration and citizenship, and ECA application for Agri-Food Pilot, which is a new program started by the Government of Canada. We will be moving forward to understand the ECA application for IRCC process since that is the most in demand at the moment. If you want to know more about the other 2 types of application, you can leave a comment to this video. So I click on Start Application under the ECA application for IRCC option. As you can see, now we will have to fill in some of our basic details. Please be careful while filling in these details and double check if required because WES will not cross-check this information. So it's important that going forward you are mindful to the information you are providing. Okay, so I'll start by entering my email ID over here. Now we'll have to verify your email ID by providing the code that has been sent by WES to your email address. Submit code. And my verification is now complete. So now that the email address has been verified, I need to fill in all the details and I'll quickly do that. Again, please be mindful while filling in the details as WES will not be cross-checking the details for you. If you're thinking what this WES reference number is, that you don't have a WES reference number and which box to tick, don't worry, this is just for them who already have a WES account created before and who are reapplying. So if you're a first-time applicant, then just go ahead and select no. I'll generate a password for my account. Follow the password guidelines as mentioned in the section below and create a strong password. And now the security question. It's up to you if you want to subscribe to the newsletter, but I'm just going to leave it as is. And then I'll press create account. Now we'll have to fill in all the details again for your account. I'll go ahead and fill in my details. If you only have a first name, then you can check the box which says I do not have a last family name. For city code, make sure you enter the postcode nearest to your university as you'll later find out that your university will actually be responsible for sending the attested documents to WES. If your university does not send the attested documents, you can send it yourself as well. We will discuss more on this, but let's keep moving forward. So now let's see what this is saying. What credentials have you earned? WES has made it easy for applicants by only asking for the credential of their highest qualification. Remember that every unique credential evaluation will cost more So submitting only your highest education credential takes down the cost of the application while making it much easier on your part. But take note over here that if you have a master's degree or a diploma done in India, then you will be required to submit your bachelor's degree as well. For different countries, the required document list is different, and for Indians, you have to submit your bachelor's degree along with your master's or diploma unless you have done your master's in any of the subjects that are excluded from the list, which includes Master of Education, Master of Engineering, Master of Philosophy, or Master of Technology. You can also check for the list of required documents by clicking on the required documents link. Also, secondary school education, online courses, professional certifications are not evaluated, so keep that in mind. Moving on, I will now click on add credential over here to add my degrees. I will input bachelor's degree here. Now I'll add in the mailing addresses where I will receive the report. Make sure that the address you are providing is your communication address, which means that you will be able to physically receive the courier when it arrives. For the delivery method, I will go for standard mail via Canada Post, which is a cost-effective option. You can also choose international courier for faster delivery, but the price goes up a bit. Now you have to add in the institution which will receive your report in Canada. By default, IRCC is added, so I'm going to leave it like that. So now you can have a look at the package details over here, which has the ECA report in PDF, the official paper report shipped to you, and also your data which is electronically stored for future use. So now this part is important for you to understand because your documents will actually be sent by your university and not you. You will have to attest your documents by your university authorities and they will be sending it across to WES. Sometimes the university might not be willing to send the documents on behalf of you. So in that case, you will have to send them yourself. But usually it is the university who will be sending your documents to WES. You will need to fill in the academic reports request form and together with your documents, you have to submit it to your university for them to send it to WES. I have left the link to the academics records request form below in the description section so you can check it out. Remember that you will only get the WES reference number after your payment has been completed. After that, just review all the details you have submitted and cross-check that everything is correct. The WES report takes around 35 days to be delivered to you. Check on all the boxes required to proceed. WES will ask you to confirm your name and date of birth, so check the box and click on confirm. I'm not a resident of Canada, so I will select that. Now the final step is to make the payment, after which you will also receive your WES reference number and everything else required to take the application forward. You can use debit card, credit card for the payment or even Western Union online money transfer. I think debit card and credit card is a much more convenient option for most. After the payment is done, you can fill out the academic records request form and take your documents to your university and ask them to send your documents to WES. If your university does not send the documents, you can send them yourself as well. Well, that is the entire process for application through the WES portal. If you have any questions or you're still facing issues in your application, leave a comment down below. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and stay tuned for more informational videos like this one. See you in the next video.